has passed. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northeastern Worcester and northwestern Middlesex counties through 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Stirling or near Leominster, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Worcester, Leominster, Fitchburg, Holden, Clinton, Pepperell, Groton, Lunenburg, Townsend, Lancaster, Rutland, Stirling, West Boylston, Ayr, Westminster, Shirley, Harvard, Ashburnham, Boylston, and Princeton. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed.